Hey, if you want to fix calls issue with your FreeBuds Pro 3, so I got two options that you can change. The first one, you can open the standard boot settings on your Android phone, tap on this settings icon, and here you can find the phone calls. So there's a chance that for some reason this switcher is turned off. And when it's turned off, you will be not able to speak through your FreeBuds Pro 3. So turn it on. And if your issues still appears, I can recommend you to perform the hard reset. And to perform the hard reset, we have to input both earbuds inside the charging case, just like that. Then we have to find this button, and we have to click and hold this button. Of course, we have to keep that case open, and now this indicator starts blinking white, and after a few seconds it will turn to the red. And it means that we will perform the hard reset. There we go. Right now you can release that button and simply pair your earbuds one more time. So we can forget current connection, go to the pair new device and select your FreeBuds Pro 3. Accept the pairing, and as you can see, that's it. Tell me if it works for you. Bye bye.